Hello, welcome to Indian Cars again. Global Ncap has tested 3 more cars for Indian markets: Hyundai i20, Hyundai Creta and Toyota Urban Cruiser. Both i20 and Creta has scored 3-star for adult safety and Urban Cruiser has scored a 4-star for adult safety. Let's look at the i20 crash test first. Here is the details. As you can see, i20 has scored 3-star in both adult and child safety, and its body shell integrity was found unstable at 64 km/h speed frontal impact, as is the norm in global Ncap testing. i20 competitor Tata Altroz has 5-star adult safety rating, and the new Baleno is not yet tested in global Ncap. The Honda Jazz has scored 4-star just a few days back though, so there is a big scope for improvement for Hyundai in safety in case of i20. Now let's look into Creta. It has scored a similar 3-star in both adult and child safety, and its body shell integrity was also found unstable at 64 km/h speed frontal impact. In fact, if you minutely check the points, Creta has got less points in both adult and child safety ratings than i20. In fact, Creta has marginally avoided getting a 2-star in adult safety. If compared with Kia Seltos, Creta has better child safety points, but in case of adult safety it is almost same. For a SUV car, this is actually disappointing performance from Creta. The price tag associated with Creta makes it also disturbing as well. Renault Triber with 4-star rating is much more safer than Creta, and Triber costs half of Creta. It is time for companies like Hyundai to deliver a better safety to Indian consumers. So Hyundai, please make a better, safer car for India. Now take a look at Urban Cruiser. It got 4-star in adult safety and a 3-star in child safety. Importantly, the body shell integrity was found stable at impact. This is in line with the Maruti Brezza, which also got a similar 4-star and is basically the same car as Urban Cruiser, albeit with some cosmetic changes. So as always, again it's a good job done by Global Ncap. But companies like Hyundai should really make safer car for us Indians. Though Creta is having a waiting period of almost 6 months in most cities, now after this safety rating, its demand might slow down a bit. Especially when you have 5-star safety rating SUV coming from Tata and Mahindra. So that's it for now. Be safe and we'll see you soon.